Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can unprivate your TikTok account under 20 seconds. But before I show you how you guys can do that, for those people who do not know what unprivating means you are going to make your TikTok account public, which means anybody who doesn't follows you can still see your photos and posts you make. So make sure if you're making the correct decision, if you really want other people to access your account, watch your video, share it and comment on it, then you can unprivate it. And let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. First step, after opening TikTok, click on profile at the bottom right corner, and once you click on it, click on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, click on where it says settings and privacy. Now once you're under settings and privacy, the second option where it says privacy, you want to click on it. And once you're over here, the first option where it says private account, if it is turned on, that means your account is private. Turn it off, click on switch, and now your account is public and anybody can watch your video or see your video on TikTok. So yeah, that's how you guys can unprivate your TikTok account under 20 seconds. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.